Okay, let's get started. So, I'm Hamish. Let's get started. So, we have a question right here, okay? So, without further ado, with no wait time, let's get started. So, let's say question number 3 and 4 means, which is going to come now, are based on the following information. Also, this question here, number 3, are based on this information. The demand and supply function for free range chickens are. So this is the price of demand and this is the price of supply. So the price of demand function is this and this is the price of supply function is that. Where P is the price also. This is the price but of demand, price of supply. And Q is the quantity. For example, if let's say I buy 10 chicken, then he's going to give me, I'm going to say price of demand is not part of the equation, but I want you to understand, okay? It's going to be price of demand equal to 50 minus 0.6 times 10 chicken. This is going to give us 6, and 50 minus 6 equal to 44. So the price of demand is going to be 44. So same here, price of supply, you can just plug it in there, and then whichever quantity, and then it's going to give you the price, okay? You see how easy that? But that's not part of the equation, okay? Okay, what did the question want us to do? The question wants you to read. What do they want? The equilibrium price. Oh my God. You know what the equilibrium means? Equilibrium means the price and the quantity always are equal. The price of demand and the price of supply are always equal at equilibrium. At equilibrium, the price of demand equal to price of supply. Now let's go. So we say at equilibrium. So give me right here at equilibrium. At equilibrium, price of demand always equal to price of supply. Okay? Now let's go. So we can plug it in. What is the price of demand? Equal to 50 minus 0.6 Q equal to price of demand 20 plus 0.4 Q. So we can group, okay? Just like how we're doing grade 4, 5, 6. Take the letter on the same side. This is Q, negative 0.6 is gonna come here. Since this is negative, when it goes over equal sign, what happens? Oh, it's gonna become positive. So 0.4, you're gonna add by 0.6, is gonna give you 1.0. So take this over. So it's going to become 1.0 Q. And take this number to a number. So it's going to be 50 minus 20, which is going to give us 30. 1 times Q is this 1.0 times Q. You just say Q, because 1.0 is 1 times Q equal to Q. So our quantity equal to 30 at equilibrium. So now we want to get the price. But remember, the price of demand and the price of supply is going to be equal. So I can just simply take this quantity and plug in here, then I'll get the price of demand. Or I can take this quantity and plug in here, and then it's going to give me price of supply, which should be equal. Because why? At equilibrium. Okay? Now, let's see if it's true. So let me plug in there. You can plug in either of the two. Okay? But let's plug for both to see if it's going to be true. 30. If you put 30 here, it's going to be 0.6 times 30 is going to be equal to 18. 50 minus 18, okay, let's just plug. 50 minus 0.6 times Q, but a Q equal to 30 because you replace this Q with 30. So times by 30, and this is going to give us equal to 18. So price of demand here, price of demand equal to 50. This is going to give us 18. If you plug in a calculator. So 50 minus 18, because it's going to be 18. 0.6 times 30 equal to 18. 50 minus 18 equal to 32. Oh, so this is the price of demand where quantity equal to 30. Okay, now let's see if this is also going to give us 30. It's going to give us 30, but let's just do for fun. And by an exam, don't waste that time, okay? You don't want to have a time to play around like that. So now we're going to say price of supply equal price of supply equal 20, you just say 20, and then we say plus 0.4 times Q. What is a Q? Our Q equal to 30. Okay, now this is going to be 20 plus 0.4 times 30 equal to 12. And 20 plus 12 equal to 32. Oh, so the price of supply also equal to 32. And the price of demand also equal to 32. Why are they equal? At equilibrium, the price of supply and price demand are equal. But the quantity equal to 30. So I can just say price. If I come here, so my price, what is my price? 32 for both. 32 and our quantity equal to 30. So this is going to be our answer. You come here in the option. You're so lucky they give you option. Come on. It's easy. Okay. 32 price. Oh, price 32. And quantity 30. Quantity 30. See? It's so easy. Easy. Okay? Now, let's go to question number 5, okay? Question number 5 is easy, okay? Question number 5, let's go into this question number 5 quick. Okay, question number 5. Okay, now let's go to question number 5. If the demand function of a commodity, okay, demand function of commodity equal to Q equal to 36 minus 4P. Oh, so to give demand function right here is given. So, I can write my demand function here. My demand function equal to 36 minus 4P. So you know what I would do, personal, right? Me, I'm gonna say, okay, but this is great, but that's not a standard form of demand function. I'm gonna rewrite, okay? The demand function always in this form. Price equal to A minus B Q. So here always P, and then here any number, and then here Q. So this P, I'll take it over. So it's gonna be 4P, because when this is negative 4P, when it goes over equal sign, it's gonna become positive 4P. Equal, there's a number here, which is gonna be 36, is fine. And then something with a Q, so this Q is going to go over. And remember this positive, when you go over equal sign, it's going to become minus what? Q. So here must be a number, so there's no number here means 1. See, when there's no number means you can plug it 1. So it's almost there, but it's not yet, because it has to be P equal. So we have to divide by 4 throughout. Each one divided by 4 divided by 4. So this and this cancels, so P equal 36 divided by 4 equal to 9 minus 1 over 4 Q. Oh, so this is standard form of our demand function. So I can write down under this. I'll say, okay, price equal to 9 minus 1 over 4 Q. So I can simply compare these two. I can say my A equal to 9 and my B, look, negative, negative, they can cancel. So my B is just simply 1 over 4. Okay, so now I go to the question, I continue reading. They say Q is the price. We know Q. Q is the price and quantity. Oh my God. Where P is the price, Q quantity respect. Determine the price of elasticity. Be careful here, right? Price of elasticity. And then offer demand. This is the price of elasticity form. Price of elasticity, which we have a formula saying negative 1 over B times by P over quantity. This is a formula for price of elasticity. Elasticity of demand, okay? Of demand, okay. Do you have our B? Oh yes, we have. Where is it? It's all right here. Do I have our P price? Yes. When the price equal to 5. Oh, so price, we do have equal to 5. B, 1 over 4, so the problem is only Q. What's our Q? I can use that one, but I can just say this one. Okay, so I can say Q equal, or I can just simply plug in there, always plug here, 36 minus 4 times P. What is the price? Price equal to 5. So 4 times 5 equal to 20. 36 minus 20 equal to 16. Oh, so I also have my Q. So now I want to indicate whether the demand is elasticity or inelastic. So I'll show you now how to determine that. But for now, let's find first the price of elasticity. So this represents the price of elasticity. So let's get it, because I have all the information. So the price of elasticity, price equal to negative 1 over B. What is a B? My B equal to 1. My B equal to, what's B equal to? 1 over 4. So I can plug here 1 over 4 multiplied by P. Price equal to 5. Because we plug this, price equal to 5. And then we come here and plug Q. What is a Q? Our Q equal to 16. So we can just simply plug this in the calculator, say 1 over 4 times 16 equal to 4. Look, 1 over 4 times 16 by 4, 1 by 4 equal to 4. So all this half equal to 4. So negative 1 times 5 over 4 equal to negative 5 over 4. So the price of elasticity equal, if you plug in the calculator, this is going to give you 1 point. How many 4 in 5? 1. Okay? We'll be left with 1. Can 4 go into 1? No, so we plug a decimal. How many 4 into 1? No, add 0, then it's going to be 10. How many 4 in 10? It's going to be 2, which is 8. Then we left with 2, plug a 0, which is 20. How many 4 in 20? 5. You know, I don't like to use a calculator. Okay, so this is a price of elasticity. Price of elasticity. Okay, determine the price of elasticity of demand. We got of demand. But now they have some funny thing here. See, also indicate whether the demand is elastic or inelastic. Oh, at this price means at this price. So how do you determine if elastic or inelastic? Look, first and foremost, find the absolute. What is the absolute meaning? Look, let me explain to you something. In mathematics, if somebody give you absolute, let's say negative 5, any number. If you put this negative 5 in absolute like you have a straight line, it become positive. See what I'm saying? If you have a negative, any number, let's say 6, plug it, put it in the absolute inside, it comes out as positive, okay? So if it's just a positive itself, the number is positive, so it's always going to be positive anyhow. So if it's positive, it's going to still become, it's going to come out as positive. But if it's negative, also is going to come out as negative. So to determine the elasticity, what happened is, take your price of elasticity, find the absolute of that, okay? Of the answer. Like here, take this answer, put here in absolute. And then, whatever you're going to get that answer, if that answer is greater than 1, then it's elastic. But if that answer of elasticity of demand, after you have plugged in the absolute, if it's less than 1, then it's inelastic. Means it's not elastic because it's less than 1. So let's do that now. So what I'm going to do, I'll take this price of elasticity of demand and then plug in the absolute, so it's okay. So now I'm going to say this is the price of elasticity. So now I'll take this value, and then I'll plug it in. You see this value here? Put in absolute. So what happened? We know it's going to come out as a positive. So if it's positive, which is going to be 1.25. So what is 1.25? Is bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? No, we know it's greater than 1. So this is greater than 1. So for that case, if it's greater than 1, see, it's greater than 1, then it's going to be what? Elastic. So we're going to finalize or conclude, say this is elastic. See? So the demand is elastic. Demand is elastic. So this is going to be our answer here. price of elasticity? Negative. But when you put it out, it's going to come out as this number. Since this is bigger than 1, then demand is elastic. But if it was smaller than 1, then you could have said the demand is inelastic. So if you come in an option, no, it's obvious this one. Here you go, negative 1.5, yes, because this and is greater than 1, then demand is elastic. It's easy, right? Easy. Look, see how easy that? See, so you so it's easy because I'm showing you, right? So don't keep this video to yourself, because if you keep to yourself, I think that's gonna be fair, right? Take this video, give it to your friends, share it to other people, because just like the way how it help you, if you can help other people, then I'll be happy, so do please share this video to a lot of people. Don't forget to subscribe here if you first time in this platform, but if you did already subscribe, then you find your cat. Subscribe here, watch my other video, like the button, because when you like this button, means this video is going to be recommended to you next time, or more video every time when I upload, means you're going to get the notification. Okay, so I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Okay, stay tuned. I love you. Okay, I love you so much. Okay, I love you so much. Peace and I'm out. Peace. I'll be see you soon.